You want to start working online, but you don't have enough money or skills or necessary resources. In this video, I will introduce one of the simplest methods to make money online, which is affiliate marketing. Despite being almost a beginner with no skills or no money, you can still start just with the resources that you have. In just 20 seconds, I will explain affiliate marketing in general. Affiliate marketing is like being a helper for a store. You tell your friends about something cool you found in the store, and if your friend buys it because of you, the store gives you a little bit of money as a thank you. That's how affiliate marketing works. But instead of a store, you help a company to sell their products online, and you get paid when someone buys something through your special link. It's like being a good friend and getting paid for it. But before I start, first let me tell you that this video is not for a person who is looking to make quick money or who wants to make money just by getting started. This video is about building a proper affiliate marketing system. It is not just about getting affiliate links and spamming them everywhere. Many people watch videos on quick money methods and start doing the work, hoping that they will make money soon. But when they do not get results, they try other methods. A time comes when they realize that there is no shortcut to making money online. This is exactly what I was doing when I just started. So I created this video specifically for those beginners who get misguided by quick money methods. So stick to this video because I am going to share my exact strategy for building my affiliate marketing system. So let's start our real work now. Let me show you the roadmap to creating our affiliate marketing system. On the left side, you can see choosing a niche and picking affiliate products or programs. So here we'll basically talk about choosing a niche and picking product. On the right hand side, I have mapped out our affiliate marketing system. But first, let us discuss how to choose a niche. Choosing a niche means narrowing down your market to reach your target audience. For example, you can choose health, wealth, digital marketing, relationship or spirituality niche or something else. When I started, I chose relationship niche. You can choose any niche based on your interest. If you choose health niche, you can promote health supplements or weight loss products. If you choose digital marketing, you can focus on software reselling or email marketing or affiliate marketing and so on. I hope you understand, right? Now let's see how we can pick a product. To pick a product, you can join affiliate networks like ClickBank, Digis224 and WarriorPlus or custom affiliate programs like ClickFunnels. In my previous videos on affiliate marketing, I have shown how to pick a product from ClickBank. I know that ClickBank is not available in many countries, so I recommend you to join Digis224. So let's see how we can find product using Digis224. Now let's go to the digis224.com. From here you can click on register now to create a Digis224 account. If you don't have a Digis224 account or even ClickBank account, I will log in into my account now. After logging in, click on marketplace to see all the products. Here you can find thousands of products relevant to your niche markets. You can see on the left hand side there are so many categories are there. You can choose any one of them and browse products relevant to your niche market. By clicking on the search bar, you can also find the products that you are looking for. To find the best product, click on the sort by drop down and choose sales rank to browse all the products that are performing best. As you can see, it has shown all the products that have highest sales ranks. The first product is the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan, which is paying something like $27. I know this is not much commission, but still I will recommend you pick up this product because we are not going to only sell this product, but we are also going to sell other health products as well. To get the link to this product, click on promote now button to generate the link. A pop-up will appear with your affiliate link. Now click on your affiliate link to copy the link and save it somewhere. Now I recommend you to pick up 3 more products related to keto or weight loss. We will promote these selected products along with the first product. You can simply go to categories or search bar to find the other 3 products. Now let's see how we can find a product using WarriorPlus. Go to WarriorPlus.com and click on sign up free to create a new account with WarriorPlus. Since I already have an account, I will click on login. Now we are on the dashboard of the WarriorPlus platform. Next, we will click on marketplace and then top products to see the best performing products in the WarriorPlus. As you can see, the top performing products for today are Domain GPT and Brainbox and so on, which are based on artificial intelligence like ChatGPT or maybe alternatives to ChatGPT. Next, let's see which products perform best in the last 30 days. As you can see, Brainbox, a competitor to ChatGPT, has been the best performing products for the last 30 days. To learn more about this product, you can visit the sales page of the product and gather more details about it. To promote this product, click on affiliate and then offers. Now you can see the Brainbox product here, and to promote it, we have to send a request and get approval from the vendor. Click on request to write a note to the vendor and submit your proposal. From this page, you can also get more details about the product. Without delay, click on request approval to send the request to join the program as an affiliate. As you can see, we have to write a note to the vendor to get approval to promote this product. To do that, we will will first copy the name of the product and directly jump to the bing.com to open Bing chat. Then we will ask Bing chat to help us write a request note to the vendor for this product Brainbox. Within seconds, a request note will be generated. Once it is generated, we will copy this request note and paste it into the WarriorPlus request approval box. Then we will put the vendor's name as well as our name in the appropriate places. After that, we will click on request offer and then wait for some time to get the request approval. It may take a day to get approval. If we get approved by the vendor, the next step is to go back to offers and then click on the drop down menu and select approved only. Here it will show us approved offers that we can promote. Now we can see that we have approval to promote a product called Accelerate. To get our affiliate link, click on get link and from there we can copy our affiliate link and save it somewhere. To join custom affiliate program, simply search on Google for programs like ClickFunnels affiliate program, GetResponse affiliate program, Group Convert affiliate program, and so on. There are thousands of such affiliate programs available. Suppose you want to join GetResponse affiliate program. GetResponse is an email marketing software that is in demand among many marketers. To promote GetResponse, search for GetResponse affiliate program on Google and click on the first result. Then click on sign up for free to join their affiliate program. You will notice that you can earn $100 commission per sale as well as 33% recurring commission every month. It's quite exciting, is it not? Once your product is selected, we will now return to our roadmap and discuss how we can build a proper affiliate marketing system. As you can see, the roadmap is actually our automatic system. In simple words, we are automating the process so that we don't have to worry about getting sales every day. If we can build this exact system, then you can dedicate most of your time in creating content and generating sales. Now look, to promote our product, we must focus on generating traffic to our system. There are two primary sources of traffic available to us: paid traffic and free traffic. As you are just starting out or you may not have a large budget, I would recommend you beginning with the free traffic sources. As your business grows and you start to earn revenue, you can then invest in paid traffic to expand your reach. Our main traffic sources will be Pinterest and a blog. I choose Pinterest as it provides excellent opportunities for organic growth, boasting 1 million overall traffic and 966 million monthly visit. Approximately 40% of Pinterest audience is based in the United States. If you don't know, then let me make it clear that we cannot directly share our affiliate link on Pinterest because it does not allow it. If you have a blog, then we can easily drive traffic to our affiliate link through Pinterest, and in the long term, through the search engines like Google and Bing, we can get benefit out of it. You may be unsure about creating content for your blog, but don't worry, I will cover everything you need to know in this video. Just stick with me. Let me show you some Pinterest account. You can see this Pinterest account has 990 followers and 481,000 monthly views. Those are impressive numbers, right? Additionally, they are not publishing their own content. Instead, they're taking content from other social media platforms like TikTok and YouTube and uploading it here. Let me show you another page which is doing exactly the same thing. They are also publishing content from other creators. Although I don't recommend copying and pasting others' content, what you can do is that you can download others' content and you can edit and make it your own before publishing. This page also has a good number of followers as well as monthly views. The next is to create a blog. If you don't have money, I recommend creating a free blog using either Blogger, which is Google product, or WordPress.com. Not WordPress.org. With both Blogger and WordPress.com, you can start a blog for free. All you need is a domain name. If you don't have the money to purchase a domain, then you can still start a blog without any domain. Now we will create a blog with Blogger. To do this, we first need to open our browser and search for Blogger. Then we will click on the first result from the web. Blogger will open and we will click on the sign in button to sign in with our Google account. Once we have signed in, we will click on the drop down and click on the new blog to create a new blog. We need to give a title for our blog, so I will name it Affiliate Arena. We also need to choose a URL for our blog. I will write affiliatearena.blogspot.com. Finally, we will click on save to launch our blog. Now as you can see, our blog is created and we can start publishing posts. You can click on view blog to see your blog. However, currently there is nothing in our blog because we have not published anything yet. Next, we will change the theme of our blog. To do this, we will click on theme. Several templates are available on Blogger, but most are quite old. Therefore, we will search for new theme templates by looking for free Blogger templates and clicking on the link to goyabitemplates.com. Here we can find many beautiful templates for our blog. Once we have selected a template, we will go back to Blogger and navigate to the settings to write a description for a blog. We should describe what we will cover in our blog and then enable the search description and write a text that people will see when they they search for our blog. Finally, we should go through all the necessary settings to ensure our blog is set up correctly. To create your first post, click on New Post. To write content for this post, we will go to bing.com and open Bing Chat, which provides a real-time information on any topic. Here we will choose the more precise option for a more accurate answer. However, I think we should choose more creative to generate better content. Anyway, let's go with more precise and see what result we get. In the chat, I will type generate a lengthy review article on the product brain box, the ChatGPT killer. Expand every point and paragraph in detail. Format the article with H1 and H2. Once we have entered our prompt, we can see that it has replied it cannot generate an article for us. To generate an article, we have to go with more creative. Now we will paste the same prompt and try to generate a new article. You can see that it has started generating a new article with headlines and subtitles. It's impressive. However, we cannot directly copy and paste the text into our blog because it takes data from multiple websites. Therefore, we have to make sure that content is plagiarism free, and we have to paraphrase it because it is generated with AI. To check for plagiarism, please visit duplichecker.com and paste your article there. Click on the check plagiarism button and wait for a few minutes to receive your report. For example, here my report shows that my article has 17% plagiarism. So it is important to take steps to avoid the plagiarism. Now what we will do, we will paste the copy text in our Google Doc. Now we will go to ChatGPT to rewrite the article in a manner that it is both original and presentable. Here we will type, please rewrite this article to give it a more natural and human-like tone. Also use H1 and H2 heading to structure the content. We will wait for some moment while the article is regenerated. Once it is complete, we will select and copy all the text from this area. Next, we will open Copyleaks extension to check if the content is still AI generated. The extension reports an 89% probability that the text was generated by an AI. To avoid these, we will visit a new website called editpad.com to paraphrase the content. Here we will paste the copy text from the ChatGPT and click on the paraphrase it button. After waiting for a minute, we can see that our content has been successfully paraphrased. Now we'll copy the paraphrased text. Next, we will open another AI detection tool which is based on my experience is one of the best tools available. Let's visit sapling.ai and paste the copy text into the provided field. Here we can see that text is 0% fake and 100% original. We can now confidently copy and paste the text into our new blog post. Then we will make the necessary edits and upload a feature image for the article. We must also include our affiliate link in appropriate places. Finally, we need to write a search description for our article. Once we have finished editing our article, we can click on the publish button to publish it. Now click on the eye icon to view your article. Once you have viewed your article, go back to Blogger and navigate to settings. Then click on the Google Search Console. Add your blog to Google so that it can be indexed by search engines. Next, click here and then click on add property. Paste your blog link here without HTTPS and then click on continue. It will take a few seconds to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you will be able to see the performance of your blog here. So I'm not explaining it in detail. You have to watch other videos to understand about Search Console. Next, we will go to Pinterest to create our first pin. Let me make it clear that you need to publish at least 5 pins every day to get better engagement and reach. It would be best if you could publish 15 pins every day. There are basically 2 types of pins, idea pins and standard pins. Idea pins are like group of pins. In an idea pin, you can publish a video, image or custom text or a list. With idea pins, you can experience first organic growth. Now let's create a standard pin and publish it. You can publish a combination of video pins and image pins. For videos, you can create them on your own or you can take them from someone else and edit them before publishing. Before we create any pins, we need to create a new board to help organize specific pins. To create a board, click on the plus icon and then click on board. Next, give a name to your board. For example, I will name it ChatGPT Tutorials to save all the pins related to tutorials about ChatGPT. After giving it a name, click on create. Pinterest may suggest some pins to save at this point. These suggestions help Pinterest understand what our board is about, which can eventually lead to more exposure and engagement. You can save some of the suggested pins by clicking on them. If you wish, you can edit your board description by clicking on these three dots. It is recommended to write board description, but for now I will skip this step. Finally, we will go back to the home page. Now we will publish a video pin first. To publish a video pin, I will open my YouTube channel. Then I will scroll down and choose this video from my channel. After that, I will click on the share button to get the link to this video. Next, I will copy the link and open YouTube video downloader in the new tab. Once the link to the video downloader is pasted, I will click on the download button to download the video. After that, I will go to the Pinterest home and click on the create button. Then I will click on the create idea pin to create a new idea pin. Next, I will drag and drop downloaded video into the pin. I will write the title for this pin and add a link here, but not any spammy link. Then I will select the board where our pin is to be saved. We will tag topics. Here I will type ChatGPT and check if this tag is available or not. As you can see, this tag is not available, so I will go with internet marketing and artificial intelligence tags. Finally, we will click on the add details to add any notes or ingredients, but I will skip this step. Then I will click on publish to publish our pin. Once it is published, we will go to home feed and save some pins. For example, this one and this one. Now we will create a standard pin in which I am going to put the link to my blog post where I have written a review article. Let's go to canva.com and click on create a design. Then we will select Pinterest pin and the post editor will be opened. From the left side, you can choose any template or create a custom one if you are good at designing. For this pin, I will choose this template and make the necessary edits to create a nice looking pin. Once the editing is done, I will click on the share button and download the image. Now I will go back to Pinterest and click on the create button and then on create pin. Next, I will upload the Canva image here and then add the title and description from the pin. After that, I will write alt text and paste the link to my blog in the description link field. Finally, I will select the board, ChatGPT tutorials and publish the pin. Once the pin is published, you can view it by clicking here. To ensure a steady stream of content, I recommend publishing at least 5 pins every day, consisting of 4 video pins and 1 image pins. If you have a more time to spare, I suggest publishing even more pins. Additionally, do not stop creating blog posts. Aim to publish at least 1 every day. It is effortless to create a blog post with Bing Chat since it uses the GPT-4 language model. Some individuals claim that the blogs are ineffective, but this is far from the truth. You know what is important is the most important thing is consistency. You have to maintain the consistency. Lastly, I would like to mention that this is the first part of the video and the next part will be released soon. I have not yet covered the entire system, but I will do so in the next video. In the next part, I will cover how to create affiliate marketing funnel. If you are watching this video at the later time, you can find it in the I button, end cards and video description. I will also create a separate playlist for this series. Thank you so much for watching.